Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people in the house, my lovely people. Today's topic na about Regina Daniel, Nelly and Somodina. The theory of them, I get this topic today. My darling people, una know say that time before Regina marry, with the hear rumor na so Regina na so Regina go marry old man, he don't live a Samadina, he don't live am like that. People talk different things that time, So she come talk say some more people come dey talk say old man na she wan go carry this that dem come say she don leave her small dinner like that, say the boy really love am that time, but she come leave the boy. So many people don know say that time say Regina e never nobody don chop im apple that time. Everybody believe say she don dey do vaga. So now later when she come marry, na she come talk say say this man Nendi na be first man wey she don follow. So she come talk am like that. Then even im mama still talk the same thing. Even im husband still talk am say na him be the first man wey don follow Regina, wey don chop im apple, say na him be first man. So even when they see interview Somodina that time, Somodina still talk am say Regina na im friend, they just be friend. Say they grow up together, but na friends they be, no be wetin people dey think say twelve they dey date each other. So e come get one music wey come go viral wey Somodina sing. When he sing say Papa you don carry his sweetie go. So people come dey feel say he direct that music to Nendi one code. They come put Nendi picture and the original picture. They come carry am near am that time. So now when they carry am near am, so Nendi come see the music. He come dey reason and say na him Regina direct that music to. He come begin the verse. Then he come send he come begin the verse. He come carry some more than I come go put am for kiri. As I dey tell una now, some more than I dey kiri. See why I go sing that kind of music for a woman. He come begin the verse. So me come the surprise say when then they went too far like that. You not supposed went too far like that, because how you go just reason and say na you sing that music too. The thing come surprise me. And Somodina, I believe say that music he just sing a normal joke something, and all reason and say he sing am to lend you. The way me I tell reason am. The thing come dey surprise me because wetin go make am just reason that kind thing say na him sing that music too. My people, wetin Nendi do so na good thing or na bad thing, my darling people? Abeg, una opinion matters a lot. Una go leave una comment for the comment section whether him do am well or he no do am well. You no suppose do that kind of thing, just go carry police they come arrest am, or because he say na Regina na your wife he direct the music to. Why you go reason that kind of thing? Does it mean say you really snatch am for some other hand? Because Regina make us believe say na you be the first man wey don chop your apple. So wetin go come make you dey reason that kind of thing? Say he sing that kind of music. If you can't sing that kind of music, now you direct am to. My darling people, wanna still reason this part, because wetin Nendi do so for me, he not do am well. He not do am well at all. Because I not see reason wey go make you go carry a police say you want to arrest some murderer. Now you go put am for kiri. But I hear say that boy don't marry too. So the thing now come dey surprise me. I hear say he don't marry. I can still see one video where they come dey interview Nendi. He say Regina na very nice girl. He say na homely girl. He say not be all those kind girls so be say they like expensive things. He say she dey use any cream. Say Regina dey use any cream wey you see. You know they buy expensive cream. He say Regina not be all those women wey be say today they'll get face cream, they'll get leg cream, they'll get this. He say Regina not be like that too. He say Regina they use any cream when you see. He say Regina they eat anything wey you see. He say not be person wey be say e dey raise body. He say Regina na very nice girl. She come praise am, talk so many things. I say, hey, this one is good well. How you not go talk that kind of thing? A small girl wey be say she just start life. So I believe say she not go all those kind of things. She go really dey do am because she never really like wise like that, you know, before she can just enter marriage. So anything when you see, you go to take them. You understand, my people? The way me I take reason and move. So he say Regina. He say if he cook food, any food when he see now they eat. Say not they like they raise body. Now so you want eat this one. Now so this one now you want to. Now so he say no. He say a very simple and lovely girl. Now so okay, oh, very nice, my dear. Now say Oga. As you see small girl when you marry, you supposed to dey talk anything when you see because it's not easy for somebody to come marry that kind of beautiful small girl like that now. You know, upon the age gap, you know. So I can see one video one of our sisters do it. They say when she dey talk say she fit marry old man the way Regina do so, but her own say suffer. Because the man not the fit do Vagara, the man not the fit swear so tall, he not the fit enter and way. He says so she can they use supported by I say one of our sister will be a YouTuber when she talk say supported by she can they use that rubber cassava can they support herself every night because the man not the fit do am the way she need them, you know. So when I come see her, you can say that kind of thing that go happen to Regina later. I can't reason and say no, it not go happen to Regina because you know why? My people, when I go ask me say why, because Regina married this man as a virgin. So you don't go expect say person will never feel no another man cassava and this old man cassava now at least start. So you not go feel you not go affect them. Yeah, because now when you don't feel test, now in that kind of thing they affect person. As far as say Regina never felt test before, and no reason I say go affect them, my darling. You don't go affect them. You don't go affect them, really, because she never felt do the Vaga another one before. So for me, I don't look and say go affect them, sha. So now the matter where they grant today, my darling people, now be this one. So anything you wanna think about this video, una go leave una comment for the comment section. Una know so na comment it matters a lot. So and share this video. Always put thumbs up for me. Share the video, like the video. Always share it for me. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe. Bye.
And I know our little baby boy will forever appreciate them for this.
The grading this and that.
Because of the light, you needed to put this. Put more, Sandra. I keep telling you.
From day one, I told you we need more than 2 lights.
But this is perfect like this. Sandra, you argue too much. Please just.
You know, I feel really bad for pushing Sandra. That wasn't intentional.
Can I get so well?
Pregnancy hormones, I get easily angry when things are not done my way. It wasn't intentional.